In the heart of Pixie Hollow, the fairies fluttered about, preparing for the much-anticipated Christmas festival. The tree was ready, sparkling with frost, gifts were wrapped in dazzling colors, and festive berries hung from cheerful branches. But as night approached, a hush fell over the hollow. Tinker Bell, always curious and spirited, sensed something amiss. She glanced skyward. The Christmas star, meant to shine brightest tonight, was barely visible. Its usual twinkle softened to a faint glow, the magic dimming as if the star was losing hope. Queen Clarion gathered the fairies and explained that the glow of the Christmas star depended on the spirit of joy and kindness radiating from Pixie Hollow. Something, however, was preventing the magic from reaching the star. Without its shine, Christmas magic in Pixie Hollow would fade. Tinker Bell, determined and inventive, volunteered to solve the mystery. She grabbed her tinker's satchel and set off, accompanied by her loyal friends, Silvermist, with her gentle wisdom, and Rosetta, whose optimism lit even the darkest path. Their journey led them to the silent meadow, where they found a small robin shivering in the cold. Tinker Bell knelt beside it, wrapping the bird in a leaf blanket and humming a gentle tune. Instantly, a faint spark flickered above them, one tiny ray from the Christmas star. Encouraged, they explored further. At Dewdrop Lake, they spotted fawn animals tangled in icy vines. Silvermist, with delicate splashes, warmed the ice while Rosetta coaxed the creatures free. Joyful laughter echoed, and the Christmas star pulsed brighter. Yet, the star's glow was not fully restored. The fairies discovered lonely mushrooms who had been left out of the festivities.